Bosley. It's a name you know. Chances are, you've seen us on TV. Because we've been helping people find a permanent solution to hair loss for a long time. In fact, we've made hair restoration our mission for over 40 years. And we're very proud of that. Here are some facts you may not know about Bosley. We help advance the most current and effective solutions in hair restoration. Always using the latest technology has allowed us to help over 200,000 people regrow their own natural hair.
Having my hair back means so much to me.
We are America's #1 hair restoration expert, and we specialize in delivering affordable, life-changing, and proven hair loss treatments that include both surgical and non-surgical solutions. Every consultation includes a free personal hair analysis. You'll get all the information you need to determine which hair restoration solution is best for you. At Bosley, we know exactly why you're losing your hair, and we know how to naturally regrow and retain it. The science is proven, and you can trust Bosley because we are the world's most experienced hair restoration expert.
This was me before Bosley, and this is me now. It's my natural hair. It's never gonna look like that again.
Regrowing your hair is possible. It's not a myth, and there's no secret.
The restored hair from a Bosley procedure is permanent. No matter what stage of hair loss you are in, Bosley can help you.
Our leading technology and unparalleled medical experience have helped hundreds of thousands of people stop their hair loss and regrow their natural hair.
Week after week, it started looking better and better, and I was like, holy, this is really gonna work.
Each person experiences hair loss in their own unique way. We'll develop a targeted restoration plan designed just for you to naturally regrow your hair. That's the Bosley Difference.
Whether you're at the beginning stages of hair loss or more advanced, we're going to come up with a personalized treatment plan just for you.
It's not a one-size-fits-all. It's a customized treatment plan depending upon what that given patient's particular needs are.
So click the link below to schedule your free personal hair analysis. There's no obligation and no fee. You'll meet one-on-one with one of our hair restoration experts and learn about all of your available options for getting your hair back. At the end of your session, we'll recommend the right solution for you and put you on the path to restoring your hair.
You can get your hair back. I got my hair back. You do not have to settle for being bald.
At Bosley, we've crafted and perfected an experience you won't find anywhere else. Once you're a part of the Bosley family, we'll walk you through every stage of regrowing and restoring your hair. We pride ourselves on making you feel comfortable, look great, and remain confident. We call it the Bosley Difference.
That was 10 years ago, and I think I look younger now than I did then.
Why should you go to Bosley? Because Bosley has won more hair restoration awards than any other practice in the world. Because our pioneering techniques, skilled artistry, and permanent solutions have restored hair for more than 200,000 people across the globe. Because our affordable financing options can restore your hair on practically any budget. And because our transplant procedures are backed by the Bosley Guarantee. No other hair restoration practice offers more. That's the Bosley Difference. So if you want your hair back, start today. Schedule your free personal hair analysis with no obligations. Click Get Started and let us show you the Bosley Difference.